Okay, students, good morning. Now you are in 8th standard, and as you know, due to Corona, our school is closed. So, as a class teacher, today I am going to teach you computer subject. Okay. So, before starting my lecture, I want to introduce you with few basic things. Can you see this rectangle bar at the bottom of my screen? First of all, I need to give information about Windows. Okay, now I have installed Windows 7 on my laptop. So if you have installed Windows 10 or Windows 8, your screen will be different. Okay, so this bottom bar is called status bar. So now why it is called status bar? Because whatever files, whatever folders, whatever you will open in your laptop or PC, it will show you here. Okay, so we'll get the status of that particular file or folder, and that's why it is called status bar. Okay, students, so the first chapter of your computer subject 8th standard is managing files and folders. Okay, now what are the difference between files and folders? Okay, see here many files and folders are existed on my screen. Yeah, one thing I want to tell you, okay, and that is do not save this much files and folders on your screen, because it will indirectly hang your computer, or you will get uh, or it will reduce speed of computer. Okay, your computer will get slow. So this is the big mistake I have made. Okay, later I will shift this files and folders. Either I will delete, or I will shift it to my computer drives. Okay. So yeah, what are the differences between file and folders? Okay. So see, file is always have extension, that is .xl. Now it is Excel file, so it has XLSX extension. Okay, .xlsx. Folder doesn't have any extension. Okay. Next, folder always in yellow color. In computer, folder always indicate yellow color, but files, uh, obviously Microsoft gave green color to Excel file, blue color to Word document, and orange color to PowerPoint presentation. Okay, PPT. So files color is not what you call file color, depends upon the company. Okay, and folder is always in yellow. Okay, now how to create file and folder? Now if you are using PC computer, so you have mouse, so right click on it, then select option new, then put your cursor on files, whatever files you want to create. Now one tip or one note. Okay, now I have installed Microsoft Office in my laptop. If you don't have Microsoft Office in your PC or laptop, then your screen will be different. You won't able to see these files in your PC or computer. Okay, so first install it and then use. Okay, so I'm showing you from the start. Just right click, new, new, then select Word, or select PowerPoint, or select Excel, depends. Now I'm not showing Excel part, because your second chapter is based on Excel. Okay, so now I'm opening Word document, just a single click on it. Okay, so at very start, okay, first time it will allow you to rename the file or to give name of that file. But if you suppose if you click at somewhere on screen, then it won't allow you to change the name. So to rename the file, what you need to do, just right click, okay, go put your cursor on that file, then right click and then search option rename, okay, and then single click. Now give whatever name you want to give. I'm giving name apple, Apple, okay, and enter, okay. So this is my file. Now just like file, I want to open a folder, okay. So same process, right click, go to new and select the first option, that is folder, okay, single click and give name to that folder and enter. Now suppose uh, I want to change the name of the folder or file because I don't like it, okay. So how you will change or rename, just put your cursor on that file or folder, right click, okay, search option rename and just change the name and enter, okay. So what you have learned, okay, how to create a file and how to rename that file. So now obviously you have created a file, so how to delete that file or folder? There are two ways, permanently or temporary basis. If you want to delete a file or folder on temporary basis, then you need to click, okay, you need to put your cursor on that file, just right click and select the option delete, okay. Then one window will get open and it will ask you, are you sure you want to shift that file in recycle bin, okay. See, I'm clicking on delete. See, are you sure you want to move this folder to recycle bin? Yes. If you click on yes, then this folder will get disappear and it will okay. Now wait, I will delete, okay. Yes, okay, folder is disappeared. Now suppose you want that folder or you want to see that folder again, so go to the recycle bin, okay, this is recycle bin, click on it. See, here you will see your deleted folder. So just put your cursor here, right click, okay. Now, okay, restore option I am searching, okay, okay, I am clicking undo delete, okay. Now see, yeah, see, okay. So again that folder is restored on my computer screen, okay, laptop screen, okay. Now suppose I want to delete this file permanently, okay, permanently I want to delete this file. So what I need to do, I just need to hold two keys with together, okay, and that is shift and delete on your keyboard, okay. There is shift and delete key, just hold it and then first select the file and then just, now my recording is my screen is recording, so it won't allow me to, wait, I will check. I think it won't allow me. Shift delete, okay, wow, okay. Are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? Yes, okay. So if you click yes, then this will get permanently deleted. It won't appear in this recycle bin. Okay, see, I'm clicking yes. Now I'm checking my recycle bin. It is empty. Okay, so think before deleting. Okay, if you want to delete temporarily, what you need to do, just select that folder, right click and delete. Okay, and if you want to permanently delete, then what, select that file, shift delete and yes. Okay, so what you have learned, how to create a file, how to rename a file, and how to delete file two ways. Okay. Okay students, so your next subtopic is moving files. Okay, now you have created your files, but now you will learn how to move that file from one place to another place. Okay, so first of all I am going to create one folder, new. Okay, how, wait, right click, new and folder. Okay, I am naming that folder all, because I want to I want to move all these files from screen to folder. Okay, I don't want all these files on my screen. Okay, I want it in this folder. So how you will move that files into folder, there are three ways. Okay, first is easy, dragging, just by simply dragging it. Okay, next is copy paste, and third is cut paste. Okay, so dragging and cut paste is same, almost same. Okay, now I am showing you how to drag. Just select this file, hold your mouse, right click and long press. Okay, hold your mouse and just shift this and remove that hold. Okay, remove that long press, just, that's it. Okay, how, just hold and remove. Next, cut paste. Okay, now I'm doing cut paste, so select this file, right click, select cut, open this folder. Now how you will open this folder, simply double tap on it. Okay, right click and paste. Okay, now see, offline and online is showing here. Okay, it disappeared from here. Okay, now what is a copy paste? Now what is the difference between copy paste and cut paste? Okay, cut paste is when you want to remove something from one place to another place, or you want to shift that from one place to another place. And copy paste is when you want it in both the places. For example, I am opening this folder. Suppose I want offline and online here also, and on my screen too, here also. Okay, so I am selecting this, selecting, right click, copy and simply close it. Here right click, again paste. Okay, see, okay, so this offline and online existed here too and in this folder too. Okay, see, so this is the difference between copy and cut paste. Copy paste is when you want that file at the both the places, and cut paste is when you want to shift from one place to another place. Okay, clear? And third is dragging. Okay, dragging and cut paste is similar. Okay. Okay students, so now see, if you drag this or simply drag this into this, okay, again you need to drag this into this, okay, it is time consuming. Okay, we are dragging one by one. Suppose you want to move this all files into this folder at one click. Okay, so how you will do this? Just there are two keys on your keyboard, that is control and A. Okay, control plus A. Okay, first you need to select. Okay, first you need to select any file. I'm selecting this. Okay, then press control and A. See, now all files will get selected. Okay, now unselect those files you don't want to shift. Now suppose I don't want WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook into this folder. Okay, so what I need to do, just long press on control tab, long press, okay, and then tap WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook. This I don't want in this folder, or this folder also. Okay, also classroom, Zoom, VLC player, this, 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 BlueStacks also. ठीक है. Okay, हाँ, Jio TV. Okay, okay, and then rest other things I want to shift. Okay, in this folder. Now I am removing my hand from this control button. Okay, okay, I removed. Now just move your cursor here, right click, cut. Okay, all files, and open this folder, double tap and right click and paste. Okay, so see, magic. Okay, now I will adjust. Okay, okay, so in this way, in only in one click, okay, only in one, not one, in 2-3 clicks you can shift all files into one folder. Okay, done. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Okay, so into the next lecture we will see Excel. Okay, how to operate Excel. Okay, bye.